President of the St. Catherine Chamber of Commerce, Dennis Robotham, says extortionists have set their eyes on some new targets in the old capital. But he says the business community stands ready to do what it can to help those affected. Kirk Wright has a report.
One of Spanish Town's business leader, Dennis Robotham, says extortionists who operate in the business district have embarked on a new trend. He says some of the so-called foundation businesses run by older people in Spanish Town were once exempted, but now they're being targeted by the criminals.
I will always, and I continue to tell you, it is happening. It continues to happen. And even of late, it is moving to another level because we're some people who were not usually touched because we come from the old school. We're born here, we grow here, we're part of the system, we help them youngsters, we give scholarships, we pay for tuition, we help wherever we can, we give little holidays, jobs, we do that sort of thing to help them to that they can find lunch money and that sort of, we find lunch money.
Mr. Robotham says while he's aware that some of the long-time business people have been recently approached by the extortionists, he's not sure if any have given in to the request by the criminals.
The trend, it has not reached to the level where, the trend is of such. And that's where it was trending. I think I've not heard anything lately. I don't know if what has happened. I've lulled it a bit, but it was trending in that direction.
But some people have been touched by it.
There's no question. There's no question about it. People have been touched. Yeah, I think that some have been approached. They have not done anything yet. They are looking for answers, and we are saying, we have to be resilient and stick to, our scenario and try to assist where we can assist and move in a direction. Get the police to do their job.
Days after criminals killed 2 people on Cumberland Road in Spanish Town, the government declared a state of public emergency for St. Catherine. Mr. Robotham says he's not sure if the increased police military presence in the old capital will help to curb extortion, not even during the period of the security forces' stay. Checks with our police sources have confirmed that the extortionists are in fact seeking to expand their pool of people they target. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.